Hello everybody, it's Mark Rankin here, your assistant professional at Weymouth Golf Club. I hope everybody is safe and well during these uncertain times that we're going through. Today I'm going to be taking you through the first part of my putting tutorials. That's part of Dan and I's lockdown lessons, really just to get you ready for the golf course for when we're up and running again. So the first part that we're going through today, we will be looking at the setup when using a putter. In my second video, we'll be looking a little bit more at the stroke and how we can improve your putting stroke when you're out on the golf course. And my third and final video, we will be setting a little challenge for you guys at home to take part in, where we'll put up a prize for the winner. So without further ado, let's get started. So when we look at the setup of putting, there's 4 key points really that I want to tackle today. Firstly, it goes like with anything in golf, is your alignment. Okay, now it's really important to make sure that your alignment is good. If it's not good, the golf ball is not going to want to start in the right direction. For example, if I'm aiming right, my shoulders and my feet are aiming right, the golf ball is going to want to go right. Okay, if I'm aiming left, the golf ball is going to want to go left. So when we do this and we're looking at putting, the 2 key things that we're looking at alignment is firstly our feet, okay, and secondly our shoulders, making sure that our feet and shoulders are square to the target. If we can do that, we're going to give the ball the best possible chance to start in the right direction. So the second thing that is really important when you're looking at setup and putting is how far over your eyes are on the golf ball. So what I mean by this is where your eyes are in relation to the golf ball, okay, when you stood over it. So what I quite often see is a lot of people with their eyes too far over the golf ball or too far inside the golf ball. Really what we're looking for is them to be directly over them, okay? A really good way to test this at home is get up in your setup position, okay? Get a second golf ball and just pop it on your eye and drop it. Just like we've seen there, the golf ball's landed on that other golf ball. The second golf ball's landed on that golf ball that was on the floor. What that's telling me is that my eyes are directly over the ball. That's exactly what we're looking for. The third key point that also links to this in terms of the setup with a putting is keeping her neck nice and flat. So what I see a lot of people do is I see a lot of people, you know, stand quite tall, but what I like to see is I like to see a nice flat neck. All right, what this ensures we do is it ensures that we engage our shoulders in the putting stroke, which is important. The shoulders are really dictating the whole stroke, and it's what leads to the stroke and does most of the work when we're putting. So as well as having obviously our eyes over the ball, we've just got to make sure that this neck is nice and flat here, and it's going to give us the best possible chance just to rock those shoulders back and forth. So the fourth and final key point when putting and looking at the setup for a putter is a ball position. Okay, what I see a lot of golfers do is I see a lot of golfers have their ball position in the middle of their stance. Okay, now a lot of people think, well, it's a shorter club, you know, when we're chipping, when we've got a wedge in our hands, we like to have the ball position in the middle of the stance, and that's completely true. However, with a putter, we like to have it a little bit closer to this leading foot. Okay, so somewhere in between the middle of our stance and the inside of this leading foot. Okay, what this does is it ensures that the putter is working up when we're hitting the golf ball, which imparts top spin onto the golf ball, and it helps it to roll out. So if you're leaving a lot of putts short, this will help with this problem, okay, and it will eliminate this. It really makes sure that you're putting the top spin on the ball's going to roll out all the way that it possibly can go, okay? So it's a really, really key point, especially if you're leaving your putt short. So let's give it a go. So I'm lined up to the target, my feet and my shoulders. My eyes are nicely over the ball with my flat neck, and the golf ball's just inside this left foot of mine. I hold it, but let's hope that your greens are better than mine.
that concludes our very first of 3 putting tutorials today. Give it a go at home, let us know, give us some feedback. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Next time we'll be looking at the putt and stroke itself. So in the meantime, stay at home, stay safe.